Timmy and the Tidy Room. Timmy was a cheerful little boy who loved to play. His room was filled with toy trucks, building blocks, puzzles, and stuffed animals. But there was one thing Timmy didn't like at all: cleaning up.
Timmy, please tidy up your room.
But I'll play with them again tomorrow.
One morning, Timmy woke up, excited to build a tall tower with his blocks. But when he looked around, his toys were gone.
Where are my blocks?
He searched under the bed, behind the curtains, and even in his laundry basket. Nothing. Just then, his stuffed bear, Mr. Snuggles, wiggled his nose and whispered,
"Timmy, your toys went into hiding. They're tired of being stepped on and lost under piles of mess.
They hid from me?
They'll come back when they have a neat and cozy home."
So, if I clean up, they'll return?
Right away, he grabbed a basket, picked up his books, folded his clothes, and put every toy in its special place. It took time, but by the end, his room sparkled. The next morning, Timmy opened his eyes and gasped. His toys were back, all of them sitting neatly where they belonged. From that day on, Timmy made sure to tidy his room after every playtime. It was easier to find things, and playing felt even more fun. Being disciplined helps us stay organized and happy.